This is a proactive oxygen concentrator machine. So this one has a maximum 5 liter capacity. So this came along with step down transformer. This came from one of the foreign countries. So this one has should be run only with 110 volt main power supply. So this one should be run with only step down transformer, which will convert our 230 volt power supply to 110 volt. So it should be connected here. So switching on main buttons, this step down transformer power cord should be connected to our main power supply like this. So we have to connect machine here on step down transformer. So after connecting properly, we have to switch on main button. Now step down transformer already powered on. So in this machine, this is the main power button. This machine running our meter. This is oxygen flow meter. This flow control rotating knob. This is oxygen outlet knob. So here we have to switch on main power button. Now machine is initializing, and now it's not ready for using to the patient. The indication, this blinking indication should be stopped, and green light should be on for using to the patient. So here we can see the various indications, LED indicators: red, green, orange. So red indication means oxygen flow rate less than half liter or concentration less than 73%. The orange indication means the oxygen concentration less than 85%, and green indication means system OK indication, and oxygen concentration greater than or equal to 85%. So now green indication is steady. Now we can connect to the patient. So for connecting to the patient, we can use either nasal cannula, or we can use this mask. These two type of tubings we can connect to the patient. So we'll see how to connect to the patient. So this one should be connected to here, to the oxygen output knob like this. Properly we have to connect, and this one should be connected to the patient like this. When can we use at least 2 to 3 liter oxygen output to the patient with this tubings, or if it is a more flow, we can use with oxygen mask. So this one also we have to connect the same way to the machine like this, and to the on patient we have to connect like this. So this is the oxygen flow control knob, and this is a flow meter. So here we can see 0 to 5 ready, and it will give maximum flow of 5 liter. So this one we have to rotate anti-clockwise direction, that is plus indication is the anti-clockwise direction for increasing the flow, and clockwise direction for, and minus indication is there for decreasing the flow. So we have to rotate this direction for decreasing the flow. So here we can see oxygen concentrator running our meter. So we can see how many hours machine has ran, and here we can see the circuit breaker. If any fluctuations, if it is the inset current is above 5 amp, the breaker button will be on. So if it will cause due to any power fluctuations or spike in the power supply, so that time we have to check here if it is in between machine has stopped. So we have to see this power circuit breaker button. So here we have to press down this switch. After, machine will be restart automatically after cooling down. This is the our oxygen concentrator machine. Thanks for watching this video.